into the room, you may have noticed a special table. It is filled with symbolism. I will explain. The table is reserved to honor our missing service members, those finishing action for all wars. They are not with us today. Set for 5, the empty chairs represent Americans who were or are missing from each of the branches of service: Army, Marine Corps, Navy, Air Force, and Coast Guard. This honor ceremony symbolizes that they are with us here in spirit. Some were very young when they were sent into combat. However, Americans should never forget the brave men and women who answer our nation's call to serve the cause of freedom in a special way. Let us remember their absence as we now honor each branch of service as the West Side Orchestra plays Amazing Grace. Let us remember the United States Army, honored by Cadet Captain Tommy Zoo. Let us remember the United States Marine Corps, honored by Cadet Major Brianna Rodriguez. Let us remember the United States Navy, honored by Cadet Captain CA-20161. Let us remember the United States Air Force, honored by Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Jessica Bettis. Let us remember the United States Coast Guard, honored by Cadet Second Lieutenant Merrill. Let us remember the men and women, prisoners of war, that are missing in action from all branches of service that are too often forgotten. Let us remember them. I want to explain the symbolism of the items of this special table. The hats from the 5 services represent the unity of purpose shared by our allies base is tied with a yellow ribbon, symbolizing our continued determination to advance for all of us. A slice of lemon on the bread plate reminds us of the bitter fate of those captured and missing in foreign lands. Remember, a pinch of salt symbolizes the tears endured by those missing and their families who seek answers. Remember, the candle is lit, reflecting our hope for their return to our forward. Remember, the glass is inverted to symbolize their inability to share in this community's toast. Remember, the chairs are empty. They are not here. Remember all the servers and fallen clients who depended upon their might and aid and their lifeline, for surely they are not forgotten you. Remember, at this time, I ask that you please stand. AFJROTC will come forward to lay a wreath. We will then bow our heads for a moment of silence in honor of the Americans who were or are missing from each of the services. Please bow your heads for a moment of silence. Thank you. Taps will now be played by the West High Orchestra. Please be seated.